All right, Apprentice Squad, so I want to make these super awesome, but I'm a perfectionist and that usually causes me to move a little bit slower with my builds. So Olivia challenged me to make both the armband and the tiara in 1.5 days by the end of this weekend. And if I can do it, she'll buy me a new apron with a bunch of bells and whistles. I'm doing a poll on Instagram and YouTube to have you guys decide which one to have me get if I can make this happen. So without any more waste of time, let's jump in. I gotta get working on these. We're starting right now. All right, so armband's up first. I got my pattern, gotta cut it out. Okay, only a couple minutes in and I'm already hitting my first hiccup. So I just got this cut out, tested the length, the fit on Olivia's arm, and it fit perfectly like this, but I realized that because of the undergroove cuts to get the bent metal look on the front, we're gonna need a little bit of extra length. So I just need to extend these lines out and add a little bit of extra length, keep cutting the rest of this out, and we're back on track. Hopefully no more problems after this. Okay, so now over an hour in, I finally got them cut out and ready to trace onto foam. Okay, so hour and 40 minutes in, got it traced onto 2mm width of foam, and I accidentally traced a little bit here that's supposed to go on the back side of it, so don't do that. When you do it, cut it out first, trace onto the back. So I said I want to create the bestest, most accurate, most amazingest looking armband the internet's ever seen. Now part of that is going to be making it look like actual armor, and I noticed that her armband is very thin. So I'm using our 2mm width of foam. This stuff has a hold and cuts super clean, has a hold better than some 10mm foams, just with the 2mm. So we can go thin and still have a great hold to get that real armor look. Now another thing I did, what the foam cuts like butter, super smooth, really clean cuts. I use Cos Tools straight cutter that helped me be able to get super crisp 90-degree cuts on these as well. So this is nice and crisp and looks just like her armband. All right, so I was just about to start gluing this up. It was getting pretty late, had to get the kids to bed and everything like that, and didn't get to any more of it yesterday. So now it's time to play catch up. I've got it all cut out. It's time to glue. Now, for historical context for you guys, the last 48-hour build I tried to do, I think I started it about 2.5 months ago, and it's still not done yet. So if I'm able to pull this off, this will be a miracle. So a new apron might not sound like too much of an incentive for most people, but I've been eyeing this apron for months now. Anyway, I'm super excited about it. So trust me, it's an incentive, and I want to get this. Hot dog, check it out. This is looking awesome. It's coming along really well. I've got it all to this point. It's ready to start the finishing process and painting and everything like that. But I want to get the tiara to this point first because I haven't done that yet. It took me all this time and now I have a fraction of the time to do the whole other piece. So I'm gonna get the tiara to this point and then we'll finish both of them at the same time, get them both painted all in one fell swoop. So I just barely finished putting the Wonder Woman tiara pattern together. I made this build several years ago, and I realized there were some changes I wanted to make to be able to make it more screen accurate with the new movie coming out and everything like that. So just got that done. Now you've seen this whole process with the armband already of cutting things out, tracing them on the foam and everything. So I'm just gonna speed through the footage a little bit quicker for you guys on this one. Here we go. Hey, while I'm making this, I just want to give a huge shout out to our patron peeps, everyone that's supporting us over on Patreon. You guys have no idea how much that means to me. You're the ones making these videos possible, so I'm so grateful for you. If you guys haven't joined us on Patreon yet, please consider checking it out. We have some awesome rewards for you guys. Tier 2 patrons and up get access to all of my patterns that I've ever made and or will make. So this tiara, the armband will be in there, the van braces that I made, everything I've ever made that you see on the channel is all in there, and you get early access to anything I come out with. So check it out. Well, it's almost 2 in the morning and I'm pretty tired. But this is as far as I got. I got them both built technically. Not completely finished, so we'll see if I can skate by on the technicality and still get the apron, but I'm not sure. I'll have to check with Olivia in the morning and see what that brings. But look at this. The gold's really cool. Tiara's looking really awesome. All right, well, fingers crossed. Wish me luck. All right, guys, it's morning. Got Olivia here.
Hi.
What do you think? You think I got it? Do you think it counts?
Why don't we ask Instagram?
Okay. What do you guys think? They're on my side.
I guess you got it, but I feel like they really saved you. And I promise that this was not planned. But I think that you owe them something for saving you.
Like what?
I don't know. I'll think of something.
Okay. Well, while she thinks of that, then let's go ahead and finish this up and get it done.
Sure, I'll help you.
Okay. All right. Here we go. Let's finish these things and get them all painted up and done. Done.
Nice.
All right, so for attaching it, you can do a couple things. The one I did a couple years ago, I used a comb on the side, or just do an elastic band. So you would just glue that in, then that way it can fit around the back of your head, nice and tight underneath the hair. I like to give it like a brown and black wash to kind of dirty it up a little bit before I do the airbrush paint. I feel like it just gives it a better effect than going vice versa. So it's all done, painted, looks amazing.
They look so pretty.
Yeah, so good. And we're gonna reveal them to you in just a second. But Olivia had a genius idea of what I have to do for you guys since you saved my bacon.
Okay, so my idea is I jumped on Amazon and I ordered 2 aprons. And we're going to give away one to you guys for saving him. Because
you guys rock.
I don't think they would have qualified without your vote.
Because you guys are awesome. So we're going to show you how these turned out, do a little reveal sequence, and then after that we'll tell you how you can enter to win the apron. And yeah, let's show you what it looks like.
They're so pretty.
So, what do you think? They look pretty awesome, right?
So shiny. I love them.
Yeah, they turned out so good. Thanks to Olivia helping me paint and finish them up. And thanks to you guys for saving my bacon so I still get the apron. So you're probably wondering how to enter to win the other apron that we got. So something about this apron, we're going to throw the Cosplay Apprentice logo on it too.
Ooh, fancy.
By hand. So it'll be like one of a kind thing that you'd be winning as well.
Touched it.
And anyway, so to enter to win, you gotta just comment on this video below, #Wonder Woman.
Ooh,
so
yes.
hashtag Wonder Woman in the comments. Now, this is only available to the people in the lower 48. It's hard with international
States.
and things like that. Yeah, lower 48 states.
Clarify.
It's hard to, with shipping and laws and everything like that. So we'll have a full list of all the rules and everything in the description. All right, let's cut to it.
Well,
That work? Yeah.
all right. It came. I'm going to show it to him now. Hey, Skylar. Where are you? That's it.
I love the box. Ooh. Open up.
You're really good at this.
There we go. I should do unboxing videos. All right. Oh my goodness, yeah, this is legit, you guys. Holy cow.
Like a blacksmith army thing. Like if there were an army of blacksmiths.
So legit.
I love how it's just like immediately on.
Alright, yeah. Now we should put the Cosplay Apprentice logo in here.